Welcome to Grade 2 EVS, Chapter Nose, Session 3. Dear children, let us say, enact your reaction when you pass near a garbage heap. Enact your reaction when they smell a nice perfume or a flower. Which smell do you like and which one you didn't like? Dear children, let us now move on to our concept, nose. We smell with our nose. The human nose has two nostrils. Our nose is lined with very small hair-like structures that trap dust and other small impurities of air. Nose has special cells which helps us to smell. Some things smell good, for example, flowers and perfumes. Some things like cow dung and garbage smell bad. When we smell something out, nose sends a message to our brain. The brain tells us if the smell is good or bad. Let us see some important facts. We should take care of our nose by keeping it clean. We must always use a handkerchief while sneezing. Let us see interesting fact now. The brain can recognize about 10,000 different types of smells. Let us now see some examples related to this concept. Dear children, our nose helps us to breathe, smell and taste. For example, it can warn you not to eat something that smells rotten or help you detect smoke. The ability to smell and taste go together because odors from food allow us to taste more fully. Let us see about nose. We breathe through our nose. We also smell different things around us with the help of our nose. The brain tells us whether the smell is pleasant or not. The two holes in your nose are called nostrils. Let us quickly check your understanding from the concepts learnt now. First question. Which parts of your nose works to protect your lungs from dirt, germs and other? Second question. Apart from smelling, what is the other most important work nose does for us? Dear children, let us quickly check your correct responses now. For the question 1, which parts of your nose work to protect your lungs from dirt, germs and other? They are hair-like structures. For the second question, apart from smelling, what other most important work nose does for us? The nose helps us in breathing. Dear children, let us now attempt some questions related to this concept. Which of these things you can identify just by their smell and without actually seeing them? Choose the correct option and write on your placards. The first option, burnt toast. Second option, book. Third option, stone. Fourth option, rotten apple. Fifth option, rose. Sixth option, orange. Let us now practice the concepts learnt in this chapter by doing some activities that are very interesting and fun to do. Dear students, let us now do an I Teach activity with your parents. Are you all ready to become the teacher? The resources required are different flowers or perfume or lemon slice or any fruit or bathing soap. Blindfold your parents with the help of soft cloth and take the listed resources near the nose of your parents one by one and ask them to guess the name of the objects. Give them score according to the correct responses. Teach the concept of nose as a sense organ and tell that nose helps us to smell and it's one of the sense organ out of 5 sense organ. Dear students, let us now do an I do activity. Write 4 examples each of good smell and bad smell. Draw one picture for a good smelling object and a picture for a bad smelling object. I again repeat, draw 4 good smells and 4 bad smells. Let us now solve some questions related to the concept that we learned in this chapter. Read the questions given in front of you and write the response for each question. Dear children, we have successfully completed this concept, but what are the skills that we developed during this session? We developed the skill of observation, analysis, and comprehension. Thank you so much, my dear ones. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep learning.